Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to take new lesson, the word of birds. Children, in this lesson we will know detail about birds like body structure of birds, beaks, feet and claws, and their nesting habits. Okay, so let us start. Children, you all know that birds are the most beautiful creature on the earth. They are only living beings which have feathers. And most of the birds can fly with the help of wings, feathers and chest muscles. Children, there are some birds which cannot fly because they have large body and small wings. Okay, and their names are ostrich, emu, kiwi and penguin. They are known as flightless bird. Okay, now let us know about body structure of birds. Children, if you see the body of the bird, you will find that the bird body is divided in two parts, head and trunk. Okay, the head part consists of beak, that is very important part of the bird's body. It helps to hold the food and eat the food. Beside that, it helps the bird to make its nest. Okay, and children, the second part of the bird's body is trunk part, and in the trunk part you can see wings, tails, flight muscles and hollow bones. So the trunk part consists of hollow bones, flight muscles, wings and tail. Children, now the question is, what makes a bird to fly? Children, the bird has boat shaped body and the wings that help the bird to fly. Beside that, the bird has hollow bones that filled with air that makes bird body light weighted. Okay, and in the trunk region you can see tail also, and tail helps to change the direction during flight. Okay children, now as you all know, feathers, the bird's body is covered with feathers, and there are three kinds of feathers are found in bird's body. The name of these feathers are flight feathers, body feathers and down feathers. Okay, body feathers cover the whole body of a bird and give shape. Here you can see the picture of body feathers. It gives shape to the bird body. Okay, now the second one is flight feathers. Children, these feathers are attached to the wings and tails. Okay, here you can see the flight feathers attached to the wings and tail. Here, wings and tail. Okay, and they help a bird to fly. So flight feathers help a bird to fly in the air. Now third type of feathers are down feathers. Children, they are soft and fluffy and they keep bird body warm. Children, you all wear sweaters in winters to keep your bodies warm. The same function down feathers do. They keep bird's body warm. Okay, now let us learn about beak. Children, beak, another name of the beak is bill. Okay, as I told you before, the beak helps to hold and eat food, and it also help a bird in collecting different materials for nesting, for making a nest. And the third one is bird uses its beak to clean its feather. Okay, now let us learn about different types of beak. Children, here first type of beak is a strong, sharp and hooked shaped beak. Children, in eagle and owl, this type of beaks are found. Children, these birds tear the flesh with the help of strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay, so such type of birds are called birds of prey. Okay, now second type of beak is horny, short and hard beak. Children, some birds are brain and seed eater like sparrow and pigeon. They have horny, short and hard beak that help them to break and crush the seeds. Okay, now third type of beak name is strong, cylinder and chisel shaped beak. Children, these birds eat insects and they have long cylinder and chisel shaped beaks, so they help them to poke holes into the bark of tree and pull the insects out. Okay, and example of the birds are woodpecker, cattle egret and hoopoe. Okay, now fourth type of beak is curved beak. Children, this type of beak is found in parrot, and this type of beak help to crack nuts and hard fruits. Okay, now fifth type of beak is broad and flat beak. Children, duck has this type of beak, and these beaks have holes in them, and when the duck takes a mouthful of muddy water, it flows out of these holes and insects, worms and plants are left behind for the duck to eat. Okay, now here you can see this is a picture of a woodpecker, and woodpecker have a strong and sharp beak. So with the help of this beak, they make hole in the bark of the tree. Okay, and it also catches insects hiding in the tree trunk. Now next type of beak is long and pointed beak. Children, some birds like hummingbird, kingfisher, they have very long and thin beak. Here you can see the picture of a hummingbird. It has long and very thin and pointed beak that act as a straw, and these type of beak help to suck out nectar from the flower. Okay children, hope you all have understood about the bird's body and types of beak. So please do read the lesson and learn difficult words. Okay, thank you and have a good day.